SYMA Drone with 1080p FPV camera, optical flow positioning, tap fly, altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flips, 2 batteries, 40 minutes flying time, UFO remote control quadcopter for kids and beginners. Hi, welcome my friend. Stable and clearer views. Times 300 camera drone equipped with a 1080p HD camera and FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Capture HD footage and directly saved. Share the amazing view to social media with just one click. Smart app control. You can not only control this FPV drone by remote control, but also control it by SYMA app. SYMA app is equipped with many interesting functions, such as flight path mode. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along that path you set, and more fun to your flight. The technology of optical flow positioning makes the remote controlled quadcopter hover more stable and achieve better performance in precise locations and photograph. Fly longer. Features with low voltage protection and overcurrent protection and equipped with 4 propeller guards that fully protects the propellers and improves the flight experience. 2 powerful batteries support up to 40 minutes flying time. The modular design make it easier to charge. User-friendly, headless mode, altitude hold mode, and 1 key takeoff land function. Make it easier to control by kids or beginners. Adapts to all experience levels, even for kids and beginners. This remote control drone with camera is an ideal gift for your child or your friend. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.